today Sri Lankan porridge or Kolakanda. These are the ingredients we need to make Kolakanda. We need Gotukola, Mukunuwenna, coconut for the coconut milk, red raw rice and garlic. Now I am adding 1 cup of water. Now I am adding pinch of salt and I will boil it for 10 minutes. We are going to make coconut milk. To grind the greens. I'm going to grind this. Grinded rice, we are going to add 1 cup of milk. Boil this for 5 minutes. When this is boiling, we need to add the grinded greens. And we have to keep it for 2 minutes, then stop the stove. Add the salt for your taste. Now it's ready, so I'm going to stop this. Ready to serve now.